It's me, Gabby. And I have another happy voice set. And I'm going to open it right now. One happy place it will be, haha. Three. Whoa. This is not a floor. This is actually. You keep the rubber.
What's that? What's that?
I can't get it. Is this a table? Oh, it's a big table.
Big table.
Okay, that was the first one. Okay, wait, wait. This one looks like a lamb. Ah,
What's this guy?
it's a lamb.
A lamp? A table?
And
And the other one is?
whoa. Knock down.
What's that?
It's a book. It doesn't have a face.
It's a book.
Oh, it's a book rack.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Say goodbye.
Bye, guys.